Navigate the world. Download and install your first navigation app. Hello learners. Today we are going to explore a very important and practical topic: downloading and installing navigation apps on your smartphone. In this digital age, these apps are your best friends while traveling or commuting to new places. They help you find the shortest routes, avoid traffic, and even discover places of interest nearby. So, let's get started. Navigation apps are smartphone applications that use Global Positioning System (GPS) technology to provide real-time, turn-by-turn directions to any location. Some popular examples include Google Maps, Apple Maps, and Waze. These apps not only give directions, but also provide information on traffic, public transit options, and even places of interest like restaurants or landmarks. You can download navigation apps from your smartphone's App Store, if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store, if you're using an Android phone. Simply tap on the App Store icon on your home screen and use the search bar to look for the navigation app you want. Type in Google Maps, Waze, or any other navigation app that you are interested in. Once you've found your desired navigation app, tap on it to open its store page. Here, you'll find an Install or Get button. Tap on it. The app will then start downloading and installing on your phone. This may take a few moments. Once installed, the Install or Get button will change to an Open button. Tap Open to launch the app, or find the new app icon on your home screen. After opening the app for the first time, it will ask for some permissions like access to your location. This is crucial for the navigation app to function properly, as it needs your location to guide you to your destination. Always remember to allow location access while using the app. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed your first navigation app. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead, open the app, enter a destination and start exploring the different features. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into how to use these apps for getting directions. Thanks for watching, and remember, the world is just a tap away.